Hey guys, I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and we just finished building this 2008 Ford E350 van, and you can hear that power stroke diesel just purring there. So we wanted all you Ford fans not to feel left out and kind of show you what we've been doing for the Fords. So let's go ahead and take a look at this Ford van. So first of all, boom, undercover 5.0. This is our winch bumper, one of our many different versions of winch bumpers, but this will house a 12,000 pound winch in there. Thing is awesome. Gonna give you lots of protection underneath, full 3-piece skid plate underneath. So what we did on this, as you can see, is we put a set of Blingin' Method wheels. We love these Method race wheels. We put them on a set of BFG 285/70/17 KO2 tires. Thing drives nice. Love it. Love this setup right here. We do it on a lot of vans. Couldn't be happier with the result we get with this setup right here. So as you can see, as you kind of poke your head in here, you see the beginning of our Baja Grocery Getter kit. It's going to be our 6-inch lift coils, our Fox shocks right there. The Fox shocks really make a big difference on how this vehicle rides. It's going to ride really nice with these Fox shocks on there. The next thing you'll see is our extended radius arms. These extended radius arms really make a big difference when you're off-roading your van. It's going to have less caster change as your wheel moves up and down, now that we've doubled the amount of wheel travel from about 5 inches to 10 inches. So we're making big improvements on how much wheel travel you get, which equals a better ride both on and off road. The key thing to this kit right there, longer extended radius arms. Another key factor about these radius arms is that you're also going to get new brackets. Those brackets allow you to weld onto your frame and allow you to cheat your wheel forward in your wheel well. So now if you take a look at this right here, you can see how much space is in the back part of this wheel well right here, still running a 285 tire. So we push this wheel forward in that radius arm bracket, giving you a ton of room. Still ton of clearance up here, no problem whatsoever. So a really nice thing about this kit, being able to cheat that wheel forward. And for all you people that really want to do it and want to go to like a 35-inch tire, you can do it. Sometimes you may still have to do a little bit of massaging here, but you can see, you know, a 285, still a ton of room in there. So let's go jump to the back and check out the back suspension. What we've done to the back is added our 7-leaf pack. This is going to be really for the ideal that if you're going to add a little bit of weight to it. But what this does is it helps your leaf springs be really progressive. So when you hit a bump, it's not using your whole leaf spring, it's just using the springs necessary in order to control your vehicle. And that's really nice. So, I bumped my arm on this really cool aluminum ladder. So all you Ford guys have been asking, like, hey, are you guys gonna build ladders for the Fords? Well, yes, we are. And there it is. And you can see it just leads to heaven, our new aluminum roof rack. So you can see once again, our aluminum roof rack with our rolled top tube. To really, when you come back and take a look at this, it's like, man, that looks good. You know, it's really giving the van some style. In the back, we're missing the spare. That will come later. But full rear bumper carrier. It all pivots from a single bearing on this side. You can have it pivot from whichever side you would like, but this one pivots from there if you want. This also gives you the ability, with enough free space here, just like on the Chevy builds that we do that you see them, you can do a double gas can rack, you could do a box here, whatever you want. So same feature, this thing is gonna open up. Now yes, this thing is rather big, but it's gonna open up totally out of the way. This particular customer wanted it to open up 90 degrees. So he wanted it up totally out of the way. So it's up to you. You tell us what you want when you order the bumper, and we can make it to your liking. So inside, lock. As we walk around to the other side, again, just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I guess the only thing it's technically missing is some rock sliders, which would really make this thing look nice, but killer looking. This is the short version van, the Ford Econoline with the diesel and our custom springs. So for all you Ford guys that were feeling left out, we don't want you to feel left out. We're still killing it, building a ton of products for all you Ford guys, and just wanted you to take a look at the latest build right here. And other than that, I gotta go close the door latch and deliver this to the customer. See you guys later.